But yes, I believe if that was in place whenever this happened, she would still be here. No doubt in my mind.
New at 5, the son of a woman murdered in Odessa is speaking to ABC Big 2 about a new bill that would strengthen Monica's Law.
It would provide more information to help protect victims of abuse. ABC Big 2's Rob Took joins us with more.
I spoke to Jason Deming, the stepson of Monica Deming, who police say was tragically killed in 2015 by an abusive ex-boyfriend in Odessa. Monica's death inspired Monica's Law, which created an online database to make information available about domestic violence protective orders. But this new bill, authored by State Representative Brooks Landgraf, would expand the database to include more information that could save more lives.
All she wanted to do was help people. So I believe that, yes, her legacy will be behind this bill.
19-year-old Jason Deming is talking about the legacy of his stepmom, Monica Deming. We have reported before about Monica's story. Her abusive ex-boyfriend had multiple protective orders issued against him, but was able to hide his violent past. And tragically, Monica was killed. State Representative Brooks Landgraf of Odessa led the passage of Monica's Law in 2019. And on October 1st of 2020, the Texas Protective Order Registry went live.
If it even saves one person, one family, male, female, no matter what, then I think it's doing its job.
The public website protects victim privacy, but shares court information, case numbers, and the person whom the order is against. Before the registry, protective orders issued in one county were not accessible for law enforcement and courts in another county. The registry closed that information gap to make sure repeat offenders of domestic abuse would no longer be able to hide their crimes by moving county to county. Monica's Law made that information easily accessible to the public.
I wanted to do everything that I could as a state representative here in Texas to make sure that no other family had to experience the type of grief that they did.
And this month, right before Mother's Day, the legislation to bolster Monica's Law, House Bill 2702, passed out of the Texas House in a near unanimous vote, 145 to 1.
The bill that I've been working on during this legislative session seeks to strengthen the database and actually expand it beyond just domestic violence protective orders to where it also includes protective orders for sexual assault and human trafficking.
It would also include information on protective orders for indecent assault and stalking.
So we're really just taking something that's already working really well and then finding a way to make it an even better tool for the people of Texas.
So for it to keep on going and her name still be good, it means more than anything.
The bill would also provide the process for protective orders that were vacated by a court to be removed from the database. It now heads to the Senate, and the state legislative session will end by the end of this month. In the studio, Rob Took, ABC Big 2 News.